So let's take first the systems loss kasi everybody's up in arms, 'di ba, sa Meralco bill nila dahil ang napakataas. So the systems loss, how do you propose that's going to be shouldered, whether by the distribution company or the customers? Kasi sinabi rin po ni Manny Pangilinan, bilyones 'yan, hindi namin kakayanin kung kami ang kakarga niyan. So sino? Sino
No,
dapat?
kasi correct. No, that's a good question, Ms. Pat P. Kasi nga, the systems loss, that's a given. That the energy, talagang may systems loss yan, no? And most of the ERC, ano yun?
Yeah, may
May-
echo. Okay.
Okay, so yan. So, most of the, if you look at it, no, the our energy, talagang may systems loss yan. So, ang tanong lang, so it's very easy, no? Kasi, syempre, I understand the president, ang dami nagrereklamo, even naman tayo, di ba?
Correct.
As a regular consumer, mahal talaga yung electricity bill natin. But the reality is, if the systems loss is waived, no? Pag sinabi niya, o sige wag na, tatanggalin na namin system loss sa consumer, sino ang magbabayad? Dalawa lang naman kasi ang pwede magbayad yan, either is the private sector, meaning the companies who are supplying it, or is it going to be the government?
Correct.
No, so it's actually the same when if you look at it, no, that's why my favorite example 2 weeks ago, di ba, sumabog din yung pinag-uusapan sa digital. Sino ang magbe-bear ng cost ng, for example, senior citizen discount?
Yan.
Nung in-implement yun, syempre, everyone thought that initially it was the government bearing the 20% discount. Bigla na lang, ay hindi, private kayo mag-bear ng 80% of that 20%.
Oh.
So pribado pa rin pala, no? So ibig sabihin, the business in general is bearing the burden of all of this, no? Wala naman tayo, syempre gusto naman natin tulungan ang mga fellow Filipinos natin who are not really middle class, no? As we all know, the Philippines talagang poverty and below poverty yung majority natin eh.
Correct.
So yung systems loss na 200, 300 pesos na savings or even kahit na 50 pesos yan, malaki sa kanila yan eh. So but the question is what we don't want is sana wag maging habit yung we will give relief, we will give benefits to the poorest of the poor, to the 75%, to the 80% of our people who don't have enough, who are trying to get by. Pero ang mangyari, pribado pala.
Oo
Di ba?
nga.
Nagugulat na lang yung private sector, tayo pala pa na magbabayad doon, hindi pala gobyerno.